So I'm trying to get my solar panels put together with these rich solar panels, 200 watts, and I can't get any of the mc4 connectors to go together. They just fall apart. Let me attempt to demonstrate here. They just won't fucking clip in. I've tried a lot of shit here. Cut this block of wood so I could try and tap them together. But it doesn't fucking matter. That's just fucking bullshit. I've used these connectors on so much stuff. I've tried shoving them in here, putting a screwdriver back there to get it to catch on the hook. There's just no way. These are all fucking just fucked up pieces of shit now. I got $1,000 worth of panels that I can't even get the plugs to stay in. Had them connected and tested it, and then it just moving around up here, testing the voltage, and they're coming undone. I'm not even driving down the road. No wind, nothing hitting them. These connectors are pathetic. From looking deep inside of it, it looks as though they shoved the wire too far in, and you can't get it tight enough for the clips to catch, even when trying to pry these two little hooks out, which I've tried to do with this little micro screwdriver here when they get in here, but nothing's happening. So thank you, Rich Solar. Awesome panels if you can get the fucking connection to work. So fuck you, Rich Solar bastards.